Hey Drop Tech family, Samsung is quietly working behind the scenes on a big software update, and it's not only meant for their top-tier flagships this time. A surprise addition has entered the One UI 8 testing phase, and it might just turn some heads. Also, quick heads up, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or the Galaxy Watch 8 yet, now's your chance. You could actually win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit just by making a reservation. Pretty sweet deal. So here's the scoop. Samsung has officially started testing One UI 8, built on Android 16, with the Galaxy S25 series leading the way. But the rollout won't stop with the S series. In fact, more Galaxy phones are expected to join the party soon. The latest twist? The newly launched Galaxy A56 has just begun internal testing, according to well-known tipster Tarbit. The first early firmware, version A566BXXU4BYU7, was spotted on the European model of the A56. This is a clear sign that Samsung has already started development of One UI 8 for the Galaxy A56. And if everything stays on schedule, this device might receive the update ahead of many others in the Galaxy lineup. Right now, only Galaxy S25 users have access to the beta version. Other major models like the Galaxy S24, Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6 are still waiting in the wings. We expect Samsung to reveal its broader rollout strategy soon. What we do know so far is this. Samsung has confirmed that the final stable version of One UI 8 will debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 during the Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2025. The Galaxy A56, Samsung's latest addition to the A series, already comes packed with Galaxy AI features and promises smoother software upgrades. One UI 8 will be its first major software update and a key part of Samsung's new 6-year update policy. With One UI 8, users can expect a more refined, intelligent experience on the A56, with better AI integration and system enhancements to improve performance. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung gets ready to launch its next big software rollout. That's all for today. What do you think about this development? Let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.